Beat the natto packet. Healthy flavor alternatives for store-bought natto. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King. I am the author of Natto Unleashed and Ikigai Diet. Right, okay. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm not, I don't mean to ditch the natto packet itself, just the flavor packet. You don't need this, right? So today I am answering a question that I received to one of my videos. Yeah, the question was, I don't like the ingredient in the flavor packet in my frozen natto. Can anyone recommend what I can add myself that is healthier ingredient? I sometimes add vinegar and something sweet or salty like mirin and soy sauce. Right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this person is right. I think vinegar, mirin, and soy sauce are the good combination and to add to natto, and it is a good alternative for the store-bought, flavor packet. The most common way is just using a soy sauce, yeah, uh, like regular, soy sauce you have, yeah. And that was the way we traditionally ate natto with, yeah. Um, this kind of a flavor packet was developed more like recently. I mean, recently, probably it's been around for the last 50 years or so, but when natto was kind of manufactured, yeah, the natto makers started developing different kind of flavor to make the natto taste better. Because some people find it difficult to eat natto, so by adding this flavor packet, it makes it easier for people to eat. Yeah. Um, well, soy sauce is still good enough. I mean, of course, it's not for some people, it's not as good as this kind of packet, but still it's good enough. And once you get used to the taste, yeah, soy sauce is sufficient. So to eat natto just with soy sauce, yeah. Now, if you're eating negi natto with the spring onion natto, you just mix natto with negi and then add soy sauce and then eat it. Or you can add karashi mustard there as well. Yeah. Instead of using the one in the packet, you can use your own karashi mustard or any other kind of mustard you have. Right. But if you want to make it more delicious if you kind of make it more like the store-bought flavor packet, then adding vinegar and mirin is a good idea. Yeah. So when I use this brown rice vinegar, yeah, for my dressing for natto salad, yeah, I usually use vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil, and some seeds such as sesame seeds or hemp seeds, yeah, and then sometimes I even add mayonnaise, yeah, yeah, or I sometimes use Mentsuyu, this is a kind of a sauce that you can use for udon or soba. Yeah, this is good, but quite often it is made of fish-based dashi. So if you're vegan, you can't use that, but you can probably find one that is made of kombu. Yeah, using kombu dashi, and that is good. Or you can make your own. You just soak kombu in soy sauce, for maybe I don't know 1 hour or something, and then you use that, and that is great. Yeah. Adding olive oil is a good idea, because the combined health benefits of natto and olive oil, it is fantastic. Yeah. So you just need to play around with, just mixing different sort of a seasoning to see which one tastes best for you. Right. Okay, so to answer the question, yeah, I think you're right. You're doing right. Using soy sauce, vinegar, mirin is wonderful, or you can just use soy sauce. Yeah, right. Oh yeah, one more thing. Bonito flakes that I talked about in the last video. Yeah, when I shared with you about how to make canned macro miso soup. Yeah. Um, Yeah, so I added this. So you can do the same thing. You can add it's called the katsuobushi. Yeah, katsuobushi to the soy sauce and then mix it with natto. That is also great too. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about natto, please read Natto Enriched. It gives many recipes, different kind of dishes using natto, plus where to buy natto, and even how to make natto at home too. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Yeah, what kind of flavor do you use with your natto? Like, what do you add? Do you add soy sauce or do you add anything else? Yeah, please write your method in the comment section below. Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!